Hi guys, so we are here now at Panda Hotel. This is our room. We are on the 21st floor. Ayan, okay. So, so this room is actually a deluxe 2-bedroom suite. Teka lang, talagay ka dito. So ayan, pagpasok ng door, may hallway, and then yung dining, so 2-seater lang. May coffee machine here. Uy, may capsules. Ayan, capsules. May, ano to? Tea? White sugar. At saka, ano to? Brown sugar. Coffee mate. Water kettle. Tapos, baso. Dyan sa ilalim. Ay, may laman nga. So, may compartment sa ilalim. Nandito ang aming cute na ref. Sabay na may ref. There's a ref. Tapos may tawag dito, humidifier. Mga maleta po namin yan. And ito po yung sala. Hi, Mama. Hello. Hi, Tita Rose.
Welcome to Panda.
Hi, Missy. Oh. So, ayan. Merong halos ceiling to floor na curtains. And then, may TV here with the cabinet sa baba. So, yun nga, 2-bedroom siya. So, isang bedroom, may dalawang single beds with a side table here. Ayan, and a socket underneath, USB, switch sa lights, and a large window din po dito. Meron din silang sariling TV cabinet, dresser, and it's me. Yes. So ayan, continuation lang. Medyo naputol kanina kasi nag-add kami ng another bed kasi 5 kami. Supposedly kasi pa-4 lang tong full suite na to, so nag-add kami ng another bed. And then ito yung bathroom with 2 sinks, and then may towels dyan. May toiletries here, hand soap, yan, meron din tissue dito, and dalawa rin yung nakalagay doon, and this is the toilet, and this is the bathroom. Yan, na meron na rin yung mga shampoo conditioner. And then, sa kabilang room is I think this is a queen size bed for the 2 guests. Ayan, with a side table there, another side table here, and a dresser with a light, and it's me again. And then another bathroom. So we have 2 bathrooms, 1 for each bedroom. So same lang yung setup. So may bathtub, 2 sinks, the toiletries, and the toilet. And the TV gets and TV stand. So, anong masasabi mo, Mama?
Ay, napakaganda ito ng ating accommodation.
Wow.
How I wish makabalik ako ulit next week.
Next week?
Maganda. Bye!